The royal dairy town of Polička lies in the picturesque Czech Moravian highlands near the border between Bohemia and Moravia. THT is one of the largest companies in the town and indeed is the biggest producer of mobile firefighting appliances manufactured in the Czech Republic. The tradition of firefighting equipment manufacturing in our country began as early as 1899. The Stratelek company in Vysoké Mýto was founded in that year to manufacture fire pumps and accessories. The company was renamed THZ after nationalisation in 1948. THZ merged with the state enterprise Karosa at the beginning of 1962. The manufacture of mobile firefighting appliances was transferred to the subsidiary factory in Polička in 1985. The favourable conditions for the independence of the factory in Polička were gradually formed after the year 1989. The factory became independent in 1994 following the privatisation of Karosa. Since then it is known as THT. The general production programme at THT includes the manufacturing of water tenders, rescue trucks and the modification of special vehicles used in fire protection. The additional production programme includes the manufacture of a wide range of fire fittings and accessories. These are not only used as components for final products but also intended for individual sales. The company shop offers customers both THT's own products and also products from foreign manufacturers for whom THT is the agent in the Czech Republic. THT's customers notably include the Fire and Rescue Brigades of the Czech Republic, Ministry of Interior, Industrial Fire Brigades and Voluntary Fire Brigades. The firefighting vehicles made by THT SRO in Polička are currently in use in 17 countries. THT manufactures firefighting vehicles in accordance with specific customers' requirements. Each product is unique. Due to this fact, the technical and technological preparation as well as the manufacturing process is very demanding. The computer information system helps the complicated organization of production. Information from the commercial and technical departments of the company are collected together so that the product parameters comply with customers' requirements. Advanced technologies are used when manufacturing the individual components which ensure a high quality of final products. In particular, the CNC machine tools provide high accuracy machining. Water jet cutting technology allows the precise production of complex shaped components from both metal and non-metallic materials. The advantage of THT is that it manufactures its own essential components, fittings, ball valves and pumps, so the company is able to provide servicing and spare parts delivery for many years. Individual components are inspected carefully during the manufacturing process. The performance parameters of assembled units are checked before mounting to a vehicle. Various procedures ensuring a high quality, uncommon with other manufacturers, are also used when manufacturing vehicle bodies. One of the unique features is the painting of individual components before they are assembled. Double-sided galvanized plates bonded to the body frame are used for body paneling. Such methods avoid water capillary action between the plate and the body frame, thus ensuring an excellent protection against corrosion. The technology has been well proven under the extreme conditions of world truck racing. At the end of the manufacturing process, each vehicle must pass final exit test. Reconstruction of old firefighting vehicles also forms a significant part of THT's activities. This entails not only overhauling but even total innovations of complete vehicles. A reconstructed firefighting superstructure has the same parameters as a superstructure of a new firefighting vehicle.